Hey, welcome to Math Tub with Mr. Ilko. Today we're going to very quickly go over the product rule when dealing with exponents. Now, one thing that this product rule works for is only when your bases of your exponents are the same and they're being multiplied together. If you have different bases, this rule does not apply. The rule's a little bit different, but we'll go over that on another video. So what this product rule basically allows us to do is when we're dealing with the exponent, it kind of speeds up our process. Now, if we do it the long way, I'm going to show you what it looks like, which proves how this rule works. So, for example, if we have the equation 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3, and we want to know what that means. So if we broke it up into a longer version, it would look like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. And what this means is if we did it the long way, we could calculate each one. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. So we can do it that way if you have a problem like that. But what the product rule allows us to do, it basically states that if we do it this way, we can keep the base the same, but we can combine our products together. We add them. So whatever our exponents are, we just combine them. So we would end up, in this case, with 2 to the 5th. And if we took 2 times 2 times 2, it's exactly the same as what we have here. 5 2's, 2 to the power of 5 is 5 2's, 2 to the 5th power equals 32. Okay? So it's a nice, easy way to allow us to figure out how to solve it. Okay? So here's another example. Right? And it works with other ways. So I'm going to put a negative in this time just so we can see how it works. So let's go 3, let's go to the negative 1 times 3 to the 5th. Okay? Now, if we did it the long way, it would look like this. Okay? Now, because we have a fraction here, and if we follow by the rules of fractions, this would eventually turn into this. But because we have an opposite 1, these will cancel out, and we end up with 4 3's, which gives us a total of 81. Or, if we follow the product rule, we can just combine them together. Negative 1 plus 5 gives us 3 to the power of 4. And if we plug it in, it gives us 81. So we can do it the long way, that's fine. Or we can follow the product rule and we can keep our base the same and add our exponents together. So I hope this rule helps you out. Next video will be on the quotient rule. Talk to you soon, Mr. Ilko from the Math Tub. Take care.